DANAE from Argos Fragrances. When I sprayed this on my body, I was engulfed, I was a bit mesmerized, I was enticed, I was all the things that immediately put this on my radar and at the very top of my list to pick up. And I'm so glad that I have this in my collection. Now, to me, this is a unisex fragrance, but I do feel like it leans a touch masculine in my opinion. But when yeah, when I say this is so good, so on the top it has like some citrusy aspects. I want to say it has like lemon, it's got bergamot maybe. I do know for sure it has a note of pink pepper, which I personally find to be spiced sensuality a bit. Like, it's not heavy and super thick sensual, but it's got a touch of sexiness to it, and I think that's what the pink pepper, to me, in my opinion, does. It's got some woodiness running all up and through here. I want to say there's gaiac and maybe sandalwood, definitely some musk in here, and I think there's also patchouli. So overall, to me, this is a beautiful scent, like I said, that I just could not stop thinking about once I ran through that sample from Argos. But my personal chemistry mixed with this scent just sweetens it up just a tad bit more. And it gives me a sense of comfort. It gives me a sense of, it's beautiful. I love it. I'm glad that I do have it in my collection. It's gorgeous, and I think it's great for the springtime.